Hey YouTube, welcome to yet another video of Epsonium, and today I'll be showing you how to change your channel name even if the Google is showing you the error message of this setting can be changed for your account or something like that. So when I am in my YouTube page and I go to manage a Google account, personal info, and I want to try to change the name of my YouTube channel, so you can see the error message of the message of this settings can be changed for account. So you cannot do anything from here, and I'll be showing you how to change it. So for this you need to you need to go to my account, the google.com brand name, or just search it in Google and it will show, and go to this page, brand account, sign Google accounts, and here you can choose your brand accounts. I'll be choosing this one because I'll be changing the name for this, and go to edit account info, and here click on name. So here change the name, and you can change your channel name, and I'll be setting this here and save. So this one's done, and when you go back to your channel and reload the page, yep, it's down here, and it will take some time to um, rename in all Google databases. Yeah, and this is how it's done. And thank you for watching, and please share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.